Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Abu Zar Said. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will try to solve a problem that related to Arabic language in some versions of Photoshop program. This problem when you try to write something in Arabic and the program is already does not support Arabic, the character will not show to be clear. And let me explain to you. First of all, let us change Arabic language here, and we will try Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim in Arabic. As you can see, I am trying to write Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The character is Arabic, correct. It's not connected together, and it's not clear to be right. Okay, so to solve this kind of problem, we will use this website. I will leave you the link in the video description box. Okay, when you open it for the first time, you will find this interface. Try to move to this sections, tools, and to this thing, Photoshop Arabic. We try to write Bismillah ar-Rahman here, and I need to be not linked together, the letters. So here, write Bismillah ar-Rahman. Okay, it is Arabic and it's readable. The website will automatically convert it to another unique code. Here, as you can see here, it's not readable, but ignore this and just press this button. Here in Arabic they write تحويل فالنسخ means convert and copy. Okay, click here, text converted and copy to clipboard. Then try here in new layer, paste converted text. So as you can see, this is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and all the character is there and is linked together. So simple method to solve this kind of problem. I will try to do another example. My name is again in Arabic. Okay, when you first time write your text here in this box, the website will automatically as area, it automatically converted to this weird format. Just ignore it and press here. We want copy. Okay, move to our design and paste the text. Okay, a simple trick to solve this kind of problem. If you try to use another font, it's no problem. Just change font type and it will change without any problem. If you try to use another font, I can see a lot of fonts. This one is still Arabic language and it's in correct format. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.